looking for a fun, effective way to help your child learn to read, spell, and write from home? Well, I am excited to introduce to you the Little Readers Shine Activity Book Series, a step-by-step reading program designed for children between age 3 up to 10. In this video, I am going to talk about the books and the age groups they are designed for, so that you can know which book your child needs to start with. Book 1 is perfect for children in KG1 or baby class. In this activity book, children are learning the letter sounds, they are learning handwriting and letter formation, they have a coloring activity, they learn to name a wide range of everyday objects while at the same time expanding their vocabulary, and they have a video lesson in a QR code to guide them through. This is the first step in building their reading and writing confidence. Book 2 is for children in KG2 or middle class. In this book, children learn to join letter sounds together to start reading simple 3-letter words. They learn to read sentences. As you can see, they practice writing 3-letter words using their letter sounds knowledge. And each activity is accompanied by a video lesson in a QR code. As you can see, that the entire book was designed like that. This is the first step in strengthening their early reading and writing skills. Book 3 targets children in pre-primary or what we call top class. This book introduces them to advanced letter sounds or what we call digraphs. They learn to read such advanced words, practice spelling, sentence reading and sentence writing, while at the same time developing their comprehension skills. Book 4 is for children in primary 1, and it introduces them to consonant blends so that they can start to read and write words involving adjacent consonants. Such words tend to be tricky for beginning readers, but by the end of this book, they'll be able to read and to write those words with ease. In this activity book, they also start to read longer stories. Let me show you. They also start to read longer stories and to practice reading comprehension. Each task comes with a video in a QR code. Book 5 is for children in primary 2, and in this book, children are introduced to more advanced letter sounds so that they can read and write much more complex words. As you can see, that's a spelling task, that's a reading task, and each activity is accompanied with a video in a QR code. They also continue to read, to practice reading comprehension, reading longer stories, and reading comprehension. By the end of this activity book, your primary 2 child will be reading and writing at greater depth. Book 6 and Book 7 focus on spelling rules for more complex words. They are ideal for children in primary 3 and above, helping them read and write English words with confidence. Each page comes with a QR code linking to short step-by-step video lessons. Children need just 20 minutes a day writing with a pencil in the activity book to practice reading, spelling, and comprehension. Every child has unique needs, so I'd love to help you find the perfect starting point for your little one. Message me on WhatsApp today using the number displayed on the screen, or click the link below, and let's chat about the right starting point for your little reader. Thanks for watching.